Enugu State. I came into Lagos State in search of my love, Annabel Yeguchi and her family. I intend to attend her birthday today. But as I roam the streets of Lagos in search of my Annabel, without a phone number or a house address, I was robbed. They took my money and all my personal belongings and threw me out of a moving keke. I was saved by Diola and her crew, and they brought me into this hospital. Annabel, if you're listening, I've come for you as I promised.
Oh my God. Is my eyes playing tricks on me? Am I seeing right? Annabel, you need to see this.